What's going on, guys? I'm back out at the pond and I'm going to set out 2 more fish traps today. I'm thinking about going live bait fishing soon, so that's going to be in a coming up video. And I'm going to set out 2 more fish traps and hope that we get some more stuff. I'll show you where I have one of them. He is right, the fish trap is right there. Oops. Huh. But yep, y'all can probably see it better than I can. There it is. That's that. Looks pretty cool under there. Huh. But yep, I'm probably gonna get another one and try to get it farther back there, cause this looks really good and I've pulled probably 20-30 out of this hole already. So I'm gonna get another one and try putting it farther back. And we're gonna see how that goes. So I'll catch y'all when I go get the traps. I've seen to been catching more fish without bait at this pond. I don't know if that's just normal, but without bait, I've been catching more fish here, so I'm not gonna put bait in the traps. But I'll show y'all the traps in just a few seconds. All right, this is the first one. And then let me go ahead and get the second one ready. All right, this is the second one. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this one in the water real quick. I'll probably throw it straight out where I am. All right, I'm gonna try throwing it out as far as I'm able to. And I'm gonna tie this up to this over here. So let's go ahead and tie this and then I'll throw it out. All right, we're gonna throw it in the water now. I'm gonna try getting it as far out as I can without it flying out of my hand. All right, here we go. And there we go, messing up again. All right, 3, 2, 1. All right, that's a decently good placement. So now I'm just gonna put a rock over the line and we're gonna go set the next one. All right, now let's go set the next one. So I have a line of braid and I think I'm just gonna tie braid onto this because the line isn't that long. I'm gonna put it right in this little corner over here. All right, I'm 100% not gonna be able to record, but I'm gonna throw it right in this little area right here. All right, I set the fish trap. I forgot to record, but I gotta leave, so we'll go check back in on it tomorrow probably.